G'day Tentworld viewers, I'm Dion from the Furniture Gully store, and Merry Christmas! That's right, it is Christmas time, and you know what I've really wanted all year for Christmas? It was the Oztent King Kokoda chair. Now, did Santa bring it for me? Well, let's get up and have a look. Yes, he did! The Oztent King Kokoda chair! I finally have it! Oh! And this is amazing. That's right, so Santa shops at Tentworld, and you can too, especially for the King Kokoda chair. Now this chair is packed with features. Let's have a look. So this chair is rated to 150 kilograms, fully padded, and only weighs 6.5 kilograms. It has solid aluminium arms and 2 insulated drink holders. The carry bag can be stored inside the headrest. I'd probably prefer a small cushion in there, but it's fine just without anything. It does also come with a 5-year warranty when you register it with Oztent's online registration. Now, one of the real key features of this is the lumbar support. So it's got lumbar support through here, connected by 2 straps. You just need to adjust them tighter or looser to your own comfort, and that, I gotta tell you, feels amazing. I do love these drink holders, gotta tell you, because on a nice hot day, it's good to have a good drink with you, and having 2 drink holders on this is bloody fantastic. But the main feature of this is the fact that it's just so down comfortable. I love it. My kids are gonna be jealous, but they can't have one. If you have any questions about the Oztent King Kokoda chair, come into one of our stores and try it out. Otherwise, take my word for it, and you can buy it online. But once you've tried it, I think you'll love it. See you at Tentworld. Thanks for watching.